Hi, I'm Julius, and this is my partner,
Charlie, and thank you for tuning in to Worldwide Math. Today, we will be working on trinomial factoring. It's a very special episode.
and now for a commercial break. Hi, I'm Julius, and this is my partner.
Charlie, you might recognize us from our hit TV show, Worldwide Math. Today, we're helping out some friends who are working on multiplying exponents. Make sure to tune in and watch their show. Thank you. Welcome back. Now we are going to explain how to factor a trinomial. So, when factoring a trinomial, you have to look at the problem. So, you have to find out what two numbers can be multiplied to go into the third number. That when you add them up, go into 19.
So, if it was 10 times 6, that would equal 60, but 10 plus 6 does not equal 19. So that can't be the right answer.
Okay, but since we know that x is squared, we can put them in the parentheses like this. And since x is squared, we can put an x on both sides. Also, since it's addition, we can put an addition sign right here. So let's think. What two numbers, when you multiply them, can get to 60, and when you add them up equal 19? 15 and 4.
Oh, yes, 15
Okay,
and
so
4.
let's check that. 15 times 4 is 60, and when you add 15 and 4, you get 19. And we go 15 and 4. So that works perfectly.
And there's your answer.
Now we're going to do another example with the factors in mind. So, the problem being x squared plus 13x plus 36. We have already listed all the factors.
Now, let's see if any of the factors add up to 13. So, what is 1 plus 36, Charlie?
Well, that goes into 36 for the multiplication, but that definitely does not add up to 13.
So we can't use that one.
Nope.
How about 2 and 18? That equals 20. That's not 13.
Nope.
3 plus 12 equals 15. 2, nope. Let's see, 4 and 9. Does that equal 13?
I think it does. 4 and 9.
So those would be the answer. 4 and 9. Your answer would be x plus 4 in parentheses and x plus 9 in the other parentheses.
And you know that because 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So that's a good way to check your work. Always double check.
Welcome back to Worldwide Math.
We are continuing our trinomial factoring. Except this time there's a little bit of a twist. There's a coefficient out in front.
Alright, so we will do the same thing as before. We'll break up 15 into 5 and 3. But now we have to deal with coefficient.
So that goes in the x spot.
Yeah, we have to break that up. So we're going to go 2 and 2.
Because 2 times 2 equals 4, and 5 times 3 equals 15.
To figure out if we have the right numbers here,
Because it all has to add up to 16.
yes, we have to times 2 by 3. That gets us 6. And then we have to times 5 by 2, which equals 10.
Because you multiply the outer numbers and then the inner numbers.
And then we will add those together, so 10 plus 6 equals 16. So that's how we know we have the right numbers here.
It adds up to 16, so we know it's good.
Now another problem on factoring trinomials.
So, this one's a little different. It has a negative c. Okay, so 4y squared is the a, this 7y is b, and negative 2 is the c, but it's negative. So that means that you gotta do something else.
In the parentheses, instead of a positive on the second parentheses, you're going to have a negative.
Because the positive times the negative is a negative.
So we'd split up 2 into 1, over there, 1, and 2. Now we got to split up the coefficient. So I'm thinking 4 here and 1 here. Now to check our answer. Alright, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And 2 times 4 is 8. What is 8 plus negative 1? That's 7.
Or
so,
8 minus 1.
yes, so that's 7. Now, to really check your answer, you want to do the FOIL method. To FOIL, you have to 1 times 4 and 1 y times 1, negative 1. Then you have to do 2 times 4y and 2 times negative 1. And it should come out to here if you have the right numbers in there. Thank you. Here's more factoring trinomials. In this problem, the entire problem is negative. So now, we have to put a negative right here, and then we do our regular thing like we did in the other problem.
Making the entire factoring equation negative.
It starts 7. We're going to put 7 here, the 1 here, and now for 2, we're going to put the 1 here, the 2 here.
Because you know that because 7 times 1 is 7, and 1 times 2 is 2. Since the problem is negative, it means that it's negative 2.
Alright, and now let's see. Alright, so 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 2 is 14. Add those together, it's 15. So wait, this one's negative. But the negative on the parentheses makes it negative. So that is the right answer. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in to watch this very special episode of Worldwide Math. Make sure to tune in and watch our other shows and math explanations for help. Thank you.